Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Janelle and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the easiest broccoli cheese soup ever. I'm not kidding you, it's so easy. It has like 5 or 6 ingredients and takes no time at all to make, and you can make it in your Instant Pot, which is how I'm making it in this video, but I will include stovetop instructions for you down below if you don't have a pressure cooker. It's so delicious and simple, uses whole food ingredients, and it's just like delicious. It's healthy, it's low calorie, which is great if you're on a weight loss journey or you're just looking to lower your calorie density in your meals. This soup is for you. So let's just get right into it. Alright, and here's a look at your 6 easy ingredients for this soup. We're going to start by prepping all of our veggies, so mince your garlic and dice your onions, chop your broccoli into smaller florets, and cube up your potatoes into bite-sized pieces, and then turn on your Instant Pot and warm up some water or broth, or oil if you're not oil-free. And then we're going to saute our diced onions for 3 to 4 minutes until they become slightly translucent and fragrant, and then we're just going to add in our minced garlic and let that saute down for another 2 minutes until things start to get a little bit golden and quite fragrant. And then after that, we're just gonna dump in our chopped potatoes and broccoli. Feel free to also use the stems because they are totally edible and you shouldn't throw them out. And then we're gonna add in our 2 cups of water or veggie broth. I was feeling pretty lazy and so I just used water. Make sure you add lots of black pepper. It just brings out all the flavors and it tastes so good. Press down all the veggies until they're somewhat submerged in the water. And we're just gonna seal it and cook that on high pressure for 5 minutes. Making sure to do a 10-minute natural pressure release. And this is what it should look like. We're just gonna give it a little stir just to make sure everything is cooked through, which it is. And then here we're gonna add in our red wine vinegar. It gives it this lovely acid, which just helps bring out all the flavors, and some nutritional yeast, which is what is going to give it that cheesy flavor without actually being cheese. At this stage, you are welcome to add in some extra vegan shredded cheese like mozzarella or cheddar. And then we are going to just partially blend the soup here with an immersion blender, or you can simply ladle it into a stand blender if that's what you have. Here, I probably blended it a little bit more than I normally would have. I like to keep some chunks of broccoli, but that is okay. It still turned out delicious, so feel free to only blend a little bit of it. And here is your end result. It is creamy, delicious. It is so good. I added a little bit of vegan Parmesan cheese because that's actually all I had on hand. But if I had cheddar, I would have added that as well. It's so good. Topped it with some parsley. You could also top it with some diced green onion and some extra nutritional yeast. That would be delicious. All in all, this soup truly is fabulous. It's so comforting and delicious, and it's very forgiving as well. If you want to use less potatoes and more broccoli, just do it. It's super easy and it will turn out great every time. Pair this up with a toasted piece of crusty buttered bread and you are literally on your way to Cozy Town. And that is it, you guys. I hope you loved this recipe and you are inspired to just run to your kitchen and make this soup. It's so easy. Like I said, I was not joking around when I said it was the easiest broccoli cheese soup you would make in your life ever. So, with that being said, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe below, I would so appreciate that. Hit that notifications bell while you're at it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will get back to you, and that's it. Hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you in another recipe video soon. Bye!